I'm back with some hints on page 19 of the first quarantine packet for you. This is writing equations. So remember the last page that we just did, the y-intercept equation. So remember, we're always going to be trying to get y to equal mx plus b. So this is the formula that you need to remember. And remember that your m is your slope and your b is your y-intercept. So like on the first one, it says write the equation of a line, and they give you the slope and they give you the y-intercept. You know everything. That one's an easy one. Y equals, and they tell you your slope is 5, that's your m. And then it's a minus 3 because the y-intercept is negative. If you want to do plus a negative 3, I'm okay with that too. And then if they do a trickier one like 5 makes you do just a little bit more, so I'll do that one with you. It says a line with a slope of 2 that passes through the point -5, -1. So that means our m equals 2, and I'm writing that down. And then I'm going to start by saying y equals mx plus b. So here's what I have on my paper so far. Can we see that? So I'm going to plug in that 2 where I see m. So now I have y equals 2x plus b. But I don't know what my b is in this one. But they did give me a hint, and they said that one of the points that's actually on that line is -5, -1. So we have to go back a couple pages in our packet. Remember, if we are given a point on the line, we can substitute it in to find missing information. So remember, my -5 is my x, and my -y is my, my -1 is my y. Where I see x, I'm plugging this in. Where I see y, I'm plugging this in. So it's going to look like -1 equals 2 times -5 plus b, because I don't know what b is. And if I solve this, it's going to give me b. And then when I do that, I have -1 equals -10 plus b. And then I need to get b alone. I'm going to take this -10, move it on this side. So I'm going to add 10, add 10. That gives me 9 equals b. And then I have my final thing, y equals, I knew my m was 2. They give me that. And now I know b is 9. And remember, if it doesn't come out negative, I've got to write in, it's right here, the positive sign. And then problems 6 and 7 put it all together. They're asking you to take that line, figure out the b, where it begins on the y-axis up and down, so it's 1 point on there. Find your slope by using the counting of the rise over run, and make sure if it goes up and to the right, it's a positive. If it goes over to the left, it's a negative. And then you're going to find your y equals mx plus b answer. All right? Thanks so much. Bye.